In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add commodity channel index indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get the CCI showing on your charts, so you can start using it in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside that window, you'll see several categories that help you filter the huge list of tools TradingView offers. For what we're doing today, you want to move over to the section labeled Technical. This is where you'll find all the standard built-in technical indicators, including the Commodity Channel Index. Click on Technical to make sure that tab is active. Next, look for the search bar within the Indicators window. This search bar saves you a lot of time because you don't have to scroll through a long list. Click into the search field and type Commodity Channel Index, or simply CCI. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results for you. In the search results, you should now see the built-in indicator called Commodity Channel Index. Make sure you select the standard one provided by TradingView, not a custom script, especially if you're just getting started. Click on Commodity Channel Index once, and TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You'll notice a separate panel appear below your price chart, showing the CCI line. From here, you can customize it by clicking the settings icon next to the indicator's name, adjusting things like the period length, colors, or line thickness to match your trading style or make it easier to read. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced tools, extra indicators, or additional chart layouts, check out the link in my video description to sign up. It's a convenient way to unlock more features and get the most out of your charts. That's all you need to do to add the Commodity Channel Index on TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, tweak the visual settings to your liking, and you'll be ready to start incorporating CCI into your technical analysis.